Hello, my name is Tom with TotallHHO.com. I'm here today to tell you about our WATERJET fuel injection high output hydrogen fuel cell system. We are the world's leader in hybrid kits for large vehicles. We have a system that is 48 volts, high amp, and high output. I'm going to get through it as quick as I can because I know this video is only going to be about 9 minutes long. So to get started with, this here is our control box. Let me show you close up. This is our control box, which sits on your dashboard or wherever you want to put it inside your vehicle. It comes with a combination amp and voltmeter. It has a pressure gauge that shows you how much vacuum is in your bubbler or how much pressure is in there. It has LED indicator lights that tell you about certain items that is in our system, whether they're on or whether they're not on. On-off switch. It's made out of diamond plate aluminum. It's very sturdy, rugged. You can throw it. It's not going to break it. It has a high density polyethylene face, and this face is translucent, and there's a light inside, so when you turn the switch on, this will light up. As you see in our website, some of the pictures, it actually shows it lit up. So, and it's totally plug and play. So in other words, all you do is plug it in and you're good to go. You don't have 100 wires. You're not going to get a kit and then have to try to put all this together. It comes pre-assembled, ready to go. Mount it, plug it together, and you're good to go. Okay, here's the control box. This is our control circuit board. This actually mounts under the hood or wherever you want to put it. This is not something you'd put inside the vehicle with you. Okay. Again, your wiring harness coming from your control box just plugs right into here. Here's your power distribution strip. You've got 12 volt fuses here for your low voltage. You've got a relay down here. Okay. And you've got 12 volt power to this. All that 12 volt power does is activate this relay. That's all it does. You've got a 12 volt lead here, and all this does is turn your generator system on. Okay, that's all it does. Your high voltage comes in here from your generator, comes out here and goes to your fuel cell. It comes back on the negative side here through the shunt and then goes back to the generator. It does not, I repeat, it does not connect to any battery whatsoever. Now this circuit board, everything is all pre-wired. It comes to you just like it looks right here. Already put together. You don't have to wire up anything. All you do is plug it in, connect a couple of leads, and you're good to go. Okay? Here's our water reservoir bubbler. Okay, it comes with the total water blocker inside. Okay, what that does, that's a 5 micron filter right there, and that'll stop any water from going up your hose up to get into your engine. You got your water intake here, return hose here going back, and on top this is where you connect your vacuum line pressure gauge that's in your control box. Connects right here. That monitors any pressure or vacuum that's inside your bubbler. Okay. Everything you see comes with complete wiring diagram. Okay. Every wire is color coded and labeled, and it shows a diagram exactly where that wire is coming from and where it's going to, all the way down to your fuel cell. Okay, it shows you everything that you'll need to know. This is our fuel cell. We went with a wet cell type because a dry cell will not handle the pressures of the hydrogen production that we produce. Okay, a dry cell, it'll blow the gaskets out the side because we produce so much hydrogen. Okay, our fuel cell is a 25 plate system, and as you can see here, you've got This is titanium. You've got 4 titanium positive plates. You've got 5 stainless steel negative plates and 2 stainless steel neutrals between each of the positive and negatives. Okay. Again, this is all fusion welded. It's all solid. It's not going to come apart, and it's only got 1 gasket. The top, as you can see the little holes in here, this just bolts right down to the top. And again, we've had to go to the 1-inch hose fitting to relieve some of the pressure buildup inside the fuel cell from the massive amounts of hydrogen fuel production that we have. Okay. Now, the best part about our system is our generator. This generator was designed by us for us. It is available only from TotallHHO.com. We're the only ones that have this. We designed it. This generator will put out 48 volts at 60 to 65 amps without any problem whatsoever. Okay? It's geared toward the RPMs of your vehicle. So as you step on the accelerator and increase in your RPMs to go fast, say you want to pass somebody, you floor it and you get by them. For that couple of seconds that you've got the accelerator pedal pressed, this generator will produce an increase in current. And by increasing the current, the fuel cell will increase in production. And therefore, instead of using up all your diesel or gasoline, whichever you're using, to pass somebody, you're now using hydrogen to do it. This generator here, you connect 2 wires here, the yellow and the green wire out of the control circuit board, come here. That actually turns this on and off. So even though you're sitting there running your engine, you can actually turn the system off and this will stop producing energy at all. Your leads come out right here, your positive and your negative. They do not connect to a battery whatsoever. These go to your circuit board, to the fuse and the shunt, and then onto your fuel cell. That's it. No batteries whatsoever. Okay? Again, this is completely proprietary. It is only available through TotallHHO.com, and it comes with our system. Okay? What makes our system so different than any other system on the planet is that with their systems, when you turn it on, you may get 2, 3, 4, 5 liters of hydrogen per minute, and it'll stay that way until you turn it off. It doesn't matter what you do, how you drive, whatever your car is doing, you still only get that same set liters per minute out of that fuel cell. With our system, when you step on the accelerator pedal, you get an increased amount of hydrogen flow. Okay? Our cell will, when you go to pass somebody and you step on the accelerator pedal, our fuel cell may go from 15 to 20 liters per minute up to 60 liters per minute in a matter of a couple of seconds. And that's all it takes to pass that car next to you or that truck next to you. That's all it takes to pass them is a couple of seconds. And then when you let off the accelerator pedal, back down to your cruising speed, say you got the cruise on at 60 miles an hour, the production of our hydrogen cell will go back down to whatever it was prior to you stepping on the accelerator pedal. So that's what makes us different from any other company on the planet. We guarantee that with our fuel cell, any semi-truck, bus, heavy construction equipment, motorhomes, you will get a minimum of a 25% increase. And most of our truck drivers that right now that have this on their truck are seeing at least a 50 to 80% increase in fuel economy. And the reason why they're seeing that versus the other fuel cells that are producing a 10 to 15% is because when you pass somebody with their fuel cell on, you don't get any extra hydrogen. So you're pumping diesel in there to do the work to get around that vehicle you're passing. With our system, when you step on the accelerator to pass them, you get the increased hydrogen and not so much diesel. Therefore, you're still saving more fuel. That's our system. If you have any questions, go to our website, check us out. We're the premier makers of hydrogen fuel cells. We have the only fuel cell on the planet that offers smart gas technology. And that smart gas technology is the ability to be variable. Okay, so we can vary the amount of hydrogen production along with the, in corresponding with the pedal pressure. Okay, so when you step on that accelerator pedal and want gas, you'll get more gas. That's what we do, that's what we have, and we guarantee it. So have a great day, and hope we'll see your orders coming in pretty soon. Thank you.